Hello friends, this is Shardul Deshpande speaking in front of you on today's topic, that is lion attitude. Lion is called as a king of animal kingdom. But why? Lion is not as strong as elephant, lion is not as tall as giraffe, lion is not as fast as cheetah, and still lion is a king. It is because of his attitude. What makes him great? Do things great and look like a king. Lion is not afraid of what he wants to do. Lion is not afraid of going in different direction when others are going in different. Lion is courageous enough to defend and fight for his life. The people who are having lion attitude in their life are also courageous people. Attitude is what you do, what you think, and what you feel about yourself. Attitude is everything. Whether you rise or you fall, it depends on your attitude. So, if you want to have a lion attitude in your life, firstly you have to be yourself. Means you have to change your perspective from being negative to positive, because you are the greatest strength and you are the greatest enemy of yourself. Firstly, you have to destroy that enemy, then only you will become the leader. I will tell you one thing. Remember, troops of sheep who are led by the lion will always conquer the troops of lions who are led by the sheep. Lions are the greatest leaders because they demonstrate who they are. They do not care about the other animal, what they will do if they come after what they want. Lion does not seek respect. They command respect and authority because they know what they deserve. Leadership begins with self-discovery. It begins when you realize that you have a greater strength and energy than you already are. It grows when you have courage to defend your belief, to have courage when you defend your beliefs when the other persons are against you. Follow your heart. You are the only person who knows what's best for you. And stop trying to fit in when you are made up of different material. Find your gift and make this world a better place. A person having lion attitude in his life will always be positive for himself. A person having lion attitude in his life will believe that he can achieve anything he wants to do in his life. A person having lion attitude in his life is disciplined to stay in course when the obstacles are increased. The person having lion attitude in his life does not believe what other people says, because he knows there are no limitations for what he can be. So choose to become the lion that you are. Thank you and have a nice day.